In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through on Microsoft Teams. Strikethrough is a really useful formatting tool in Microsoft Teams, allowing you to visually cross out text within your messages without completely deleting it. This can be perfect for marking tasks as completed, indicating corrections, or showing that a piece of information is no longer valid, all while keeping the original context visible for everyone in the chat. It's a subtle but powerful way to communicate changes or status updates efficiently. Let's walk through the simple steps to achieve this, making your communications clearer and more professional. To begin this process, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams and navigate to your chat section. This essential area is typically found on the left-hand sidebar of your Teams interface. Look for the chat icon, which usually resembles a speech bubble or two overlapping speech bubbles. Clicking this icon will instantly bring up a comprehensive list of all your individual and group conversations. It serves as your central hub for all direct messaging, ensuring you can quickly find and interact with colleagues or friends in real time. Make sure you are properly logged into your Teams account before attempting to proceed with these steps. Once you're successfully in the chat section, you'll see a display of your most recent conversations. Your very next step is to click on the specific conversation where you wish to send your message. This could be a private one-on-one chat with a specific colleague, a larger group chat dedicated to a project, or even a channel conversation. Take a moment to scroll through your list if necessary, and carefully select the correct conversation to avoid sending your formatted message to unintended recipients. Double-checking this step ensures your communication lands exactly where it needs to go, maintaining professionalism and avoiding miscommunication. With the desired conversation now open and active, you'll want to proceed by typing out the message you intend to send. Go to the message input box, which is usually prominently located at the very bottom of your chat window, and simply start typing your content. This is the stage where you'll compose the exact text you wish to format with a strikethrough. Don't worry about applying the formatting just yet. Focus solely on getting your full message drafted accurately. Remember, you always have the flexibility to edit the text later if needed. It's crucial not to hit enter or send the message at this point, as we still need to apply the strikethrough formatting. After you've completely typed your message, your next action is to locate and click on the Show Formatting Options button. This crucial icon is typically found just below the message input box, usually on the left side of the composition area. It often looks like an A with a small paintbrush, or sometimes just a basic pencil or paper icon, indicating that it will reveal more comprehensive text editing tools. Clicking this button expands the message composition area and unveils a dedicated formatting toolbar with various advanced options, similar to what you might find in popular word processing software. This step is absolutely essential for accessing the strikethrough function and other rich text features. Finally, with the full suite of formatting options now clearly visible, your goal is to locate and click on the specific strikethrough icon. This particular icon is usually quite easy to recognize. It typically looks like an uppercase S with a distinct horizontal line drawn directly through its middle, signifying the action of crossing something out. To effectively apply the strikethrough, first highlight the specific words or phrases in your typed message that you want to cross out. Once the desired text is selected, simply click the strikethrough icon. You will instantly see the selected text update with the strikethrough applied in real time. Alternatively, you can click the icon first, and then type your text, which will appear with strikethrough from the beginning. Once satisfied with your message, you can confidently hit send, and your message will appear with the strikethrough clearly visible to all participants in that conversation, enhancing clarity and context.